Hey everyone, this is Komal Kashyap and I'm back with another episode of the Inside Story. स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे शो पे। सबसे पहले मैं अपने सारे लिसनर्स एंड व्यूअर्स को दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आप लोगों की वजह से ही ये शो आगे बढ़ पा रहा है। एंड जस्ट कीप शोइंग योर लव बिकॉज दैट एक्चुअली मोटिवेट्स अस टू गिव यू द बेस्ट ऑन द शो। आज का एपिसोड बहुत खास होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हमारे शो पे एक नहीं दो गेस्ट होंगे। जी हाँ, आई हैव टू से दे आर टू डिफरेंट पीपल बट एक्चुअली दे आर टू फॉर वन, a couple. Yes, today we have cutest couple on our show who work together, travel together, fashion together, and a lot more. And I'm so pleased to introduce you to this beautiful couple, Ishita Mitrani and Rahul Kalra. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much. That was a beautiful intro. Thank you.
Thank you. So, guys, before going further, let me also give you a brief introduction about this couple. Ishita and Rahul are part-time couple bloggers in fashion and lifestyle. Rahul has his own business and Ishita is working as a data analyst, best at engaging and relevant content. Aside from this, they have been awarded as the best couple blogger in 2019 by B&B magazine and have been recognized by various other platforms. So guys, if you'd like to know more about couple blogging or how to take advantage of opportunities you come across with your partner, don't go anywhere. Rahul and Ishita will share their experiences on how to build career or passion with your partner without any hassle. So put on your headphones, relax, and here we go. Starting with the questions. So tell us about your background, where are you from, and the journey till now. First from Ishita.
Okay. Okay, so both of us are basically from Ambala. It's a town, city in Haryana, and I am now working as a data analyst with Sapient. And also, along with that, we do a couple blogging. We travel together, and that's pretty much about it.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, sure. So as she said that both of us belong to Ambala. So I just keep on traveling on and out from Ambala to Gurgaon. Whenever we want to travel, we want to spend time together. She basically lives in Gurgaon because she's working as a data analyst, as she said. And I'm into, my family business. My parents deal in medicines. Like my dad works for a pharmaceutical company, so I am helping him out in that business.
ओके सो कितने साल हो गए आप लोगों को साथ में रहते हुए? आई बीन गेटिंग मैरिड कितने दिन हो गए?
It's very
So this is like the trick question. Both of us are not married. We've been together for like 10 years now, and it's a long distance since forever. So mostly everyone thinks that we are married, but we are not married.
But yeah, surprisingly as well, it's a long distance since 10 years.
Yeah.
Like we have been together.
Yeah, that's so great actually क्योंकि आजकल के ज़माने में ये possible नहीं हो पाता है.
नहीं चलता बिल्कुल exactly.
Yeah,
that's so
चल.
Okay, so you guys are from last 10 years together.
Yeah.
Okay, that's so good. So Rahul, I believe you have your own business and Ishita is working as a data analyst. So how did you guys started to blogging together?
Okay, this I have to take.
This is a very spicy story.
I will tell you.
Yeah,
So,
I don't know.
So when my graduation completed, I moved to Gurgaon for my job, and Rao used to keep visiting me, and just to spend time, used to go out a lot. So he was meanwhile on a side gig doing these print shoots for Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, and all of that. So he used to like click lots of pictures and then post them on Facebook every day, and I used to get so jealous of him posting so many pictures. And
she used to scold me whole day.
Yes, I can feel that. Actually, I can feel that.
I still do that, by the way. So meanwhile, like browsing through Instagram, Facebook, we were also, looking out for new places, and then we found out like a few bloggers who were already doing all of this.
Exactly.
Then we thought, okay, couple blogging is not a thing right now, so let's make it a thing. And then we just started like putting random pictures of both of us going out, and then there was this page
It's the Love Project. So it
Yeah.
was started by
Achha.
that famous author Durjoy Datta. I think
Yeah.
everybody knows about him.
Yeah.
So he had his
Yeah.
page. It's the Love Project, and we shared a picture with him. Maybe he liked the picture, तो उन्होंने post किया, and
With
that
the
picture.
entire story. And I remember on that when the picture got posted, it had more
Yeah.
than around 13,000 likes
14,000 plus
Oh
likes, and
my
I think
God, that's
it
a
was the
huge.
second or third highest
liked
number of like
picture
like
on
picture.
that page at that time. And we were like, wow, this is so
So
amazing.
we as a couple are so happy we got to know
Yeah.
that day.
Yeah, and then
So
we
that-
just
Huh.
we just like got more motivated, and with then that is the I think that was the point we
Yeah.
actually started. Like
That
we
was
got
an
a
icebreaker for us. I think.
yeah, we actually bought a DSLR, and then like professionally we started shooting a lot of things, and then within like almost a year after that.
Yeah.
So this is like 2000.
We started in 2017 December.
This happened in 2017 Jan.
Jan.
And then like तब तक हम डाल रहे थे कुछ तो pictures, and then approximately by June July we were almost like
Exactly.
started professionally, and then in September 2017 we got our first paid collaboration, and we were like, oh my god, this is real. And that's
Yeah.
how the journey actually like we got more
And that
motivated.
collaboration is still very special to us because
Yeah.
it was with a very big brand. It was for a lifestyle brand,
Yeah.
Daniel Wellington, and I think we will never be able to forget that it
Yeah.
was such a surprising and an amazing moment.
Like
for
we
us.
weren't really expecting.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
we hadn't collaborated. मतलब कोई barter collaboration कुछ कोई collab हुआ ही नहीं था. We were just sourcing, creating content and returning back the stuff. And we did not approach the brand. The brand found us, and they wanted like a couple thing to happen. So that was like a breaker for us कि हाँ ये couple
Yeah.
में कुछ हो सकता है. So we should go ahead with it.
Yeah, it's quite trending right now.
Yeah.
Although तो आप लोगों के पेरेंट्स आप लोगों के सपोर्ट में हैं? Like, I think
50-50, I must say.
it's
Support
again-
में है भी नहीं भी.
It's again a very trick question. So initially, my parents weren't very supportive. His parents are very chill. Like they are like, okay,
Because
तुम्हें
we
जो
are
करना
two
है.
boys in the house, so that's why my
Yeah,
parents
yeah.
are very
So
chill.
it's a very Indian mentality kind of a thing. So his parents are like super chill. उनको कोई interference नहीं है. They just want to go have fun and come back. So my parents initially they didn't know about the blog. So they came to know about the blog when we were already around like 50-60K. So they were very shocked कि ये क्या हो रहा है and what is all this.
And that too not from us.
Yeah, and the
From
sad
some
part
third
was
person,
this.
and it was
Very disastrous. Like 2-3 months were very disastrous. But
Yeah.
उसके बाद I think when they saw कि हाँ we are actually working a lot, we are putting a lot of effort, and we are actually getting returns as well. Like
Exactly.
कम returns,
Yeah.
but returns. So they felt कि हाँ ठीक है. I mean मतलब time waste करने से तो better ही है कि that you are doing something together.
Yeah.
but still on and off. They keep on like poking her
But
out.
they're not. They are like okay, like it's enough time to get married.
Get married. Basically, their main motive
Yes.
is not
Yeah.
कि blog से related नहीं है. They just want us to get married.
Married.
कि 10 साल हो गए हैं और कितना wait करना है.
Because it's an Indian
Yes,
mentality also. Na? Everybody thinks that they are a
Yeah.
couple and why they are not married, how are they traveling and all of that.
Right, right,
But I
right.
won't consider that they are wrong at their part, but like
We also
off and
need
on
it.
चल रहा है.
Yes, totally. I can totally understand this. Anyway, so have both of you been frequently active on social media for a long time, or it's just a recent passion?
No. This is very long. I joined Facebook in 2009.
No, let me tell you. So we met on Facebook only 10 years
Oh
back.
my God.
Yeah. And it was just like a random kind of request because क्या था ना, I just passed out from my school. मैंने अपने 12th खत्म किया. And I had some free time. I thought कि मैं friends बनाता हूँ. And then
And मैं Facebook पे लड़कियां देखता हूँ.
नहीं, nothing
friends
like
request
that. She was
भेजता हूँ.
looking cute. That's why I sent her a
I
friend
am.
request.
Thank you. I'll take that as a
Yeah,
compliment.
you are.
So I am like an OG for social media. मैं Orkut पे भी थी. I used to go to cyber cafes to like chat with my friends on Orkut. So I am like total social media freak. He got into social media when he started these print shoots and इसे पूरी 6-pack ab body बना के and
Right
then
now, so
पूरा enjoy करने की oh my god people are liking my pictures and ऐसा right.
everybody wants to flaunt यार. इतना hard work करके
Yes,
कौन flaunt नहीं.
So
आज
I
के
am
time में
like
कौन नहीं
a
करता?
avid social media freak. I can like stalk everybody, anybody, like pura din, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter.
Right now, the both
Now
of
I
us
get
are like previously.
Yeah.
हाँ अभी तो करना ही पड़ेगा because you have
Exactly. अभी तो
all that.
Very true.
मुझे लगता है कि हम कहीं और से ज्यादा फोन पे होते हैं. पूरा दिन
Exactly.
यार था फोन, whether Instagram is on, Facebook is on, YouTube is on, but yes, we are on the phone only.
Yeah.
तो
Absolutely.
मतलब सोशल मीडिया इंस्टाग्राम के अलावे आप दोनों का प्रोफाइल फेसबुक एंड वहाँ पे भी कोलैबोरेट में है.
No. So basically on Facebook we have our page, The Sweet Stalkers. It also have like 15-16,000 odd likes. And
Okay.
मेरा जो personal like profile भी है, so it has for around 5,000 friends as well. But yeah, we do not monetize it. Facebook को we are not
Facebook
monetizing.
we haven't really monetized as of now. Actually, Facebook is not much monetizable also as of now.
yeah.
Because
Yeah.
जितना like what we found, like what we have analyzed, कि we
Especially
cannot
in the
like show.
field, especially in the field of fashion and travel and
Exactly.
lifestyle.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's what.
So because Facebook, I feel, is not like a platform where brands usually operate much. Instagram is right now
The
booming.
Yeah.
industry.
The only one.
So we are like on all social media platforms. You'll find the street stalkers everywhere. We were on TikTok. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat,
Okay.
YouTube. Everywhere the street stalkers, and we'll be there.
Oh, that's so good. I mean, yeah, actually, so one can assume that there is something good in your content which people actually like. So, what kind of these content are?
Okay. So basically, what content people like on our profile, like जितना हमने analyze किया है, they like something like related to cute couple moments. Not, fashion se related, I think they are just okay with it. But when we post some cute pictures, like if I'm hugging her, yeah, we are doing some cute little moments. So they really love this.
And also we've recently started posting a lot of BTS in our stories. Like जो हम घर पे लड़ाई कर रहे होते हैं या all the shit that happens, all the BTS that happens. Before this call also we were fighting. So like all the shit that is happening is going in our stories, and we've got like a humongous response on those stories. People are loving it so much.
Because
I
actually
mean, it's very relatable. I feel.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
it's relatable to the couples, to the
Yeah.
individuals. They really feel like good in a way कि हाँ, it is something natural जो होता है हर घर में couples के बीच में.
Yeah, especially in the young generation.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So, जो आप लोगों के content होते हैं, तो do you go with the flow or you just plan the content?
See,
It's I think a mix of
both
things.
of them. Exactly.
So
Okay.
in case there are like campaigns that are happening,
So
we have to kind of plan.
because we have to like select the location, then we
Yeah.
have to select the posing, and then we have to select other things as well, like if there is a brand campaign, because we have to like very professional about it. But हाँ जो हमारी normal moments हैं which we are celebrating or performing as a freelancer, तो उसमें we do not like, I don't think so कि we
That
plan
is
much.
like with the flow कि okay आज कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है तो I'll we'll just put up the camera and we'll start shooting, or we're just like trying on clothes and then we are putting up stories, but very normal kind of stuff as well.
Okay. So you guys have a lot of followers on your Instagram and other social media profiles. So how do you guys manage your time? Like आपका business है and Ishita is working as data analyst at her job. And so ये time manage करना बहुत important होता है.
It's super like I
hectic
think
hustle, I would
exactly. हमने
Every
last
day.
2 years से
3 years
कोई
now.
भी weekend like 3 years, but I think 2 years से last से कोई भी
हाँ.
weekend off नहीं लिया है. Never ever, because हमारे पास सिर्फ weekend का ही time होता है, because weekdays में I am into my business and I have to travel all the way from Bala to Gurgaon.
Which is like a 6-hour journey by road.
Exactly.
Which is tiring. You have to drive and come. तो मतलब अच्छा खासा hectic
And
होता
she
है.
also works for a private company, so you also know कि private companies of work is too
You
much.
can't take off.
Yeah,
Exactly.
it's very difficult.
They'll just keep you on the laptop whole day, so you cannot get out of the laptop और ऐसा कुछ. तो हमारे पास सिर्फ weekend होता है to complete all the campaigns, to complete our content as well.
So I'll tell you what basically happens is कि there is this 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. उससे पहले के 5 दिन भी है, उसके बाद के 5 दिन भी है. So it's like a 15-day का span that you have to shoot for, and उसको shoot करने के लिए you have only 2 days. So on Saturdays and Sundays we start at like 6-7 in the morning and रात के 12 बजे तक we are continuously shooting. मतलब बहुत ही रेयरली होता है कि वी इवन टेक ब्रेक्स टू हैव लंच डिनर ब्रेकफास्ट, मतलब पूरे दिन में सिर्फ एक ही मील हो पाता है. वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली ट्रैवलिंग, शूटिंग एंड यू नो जस्ट फिनिशिंग व्हाट वी प्लान कि अच्छा ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. एंड फिर 2 दिन के बाद हम इतने एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं कि मंडे तो बस
I
हम
can
अपना रिकवर नहीं
understand.
लगा देते हैं.
I can understand.
Yeah.
So, can you guys share your strategy to monetize your content?
सी
Okay.
हमारे लिए मोनेटाइजेशन हमारे लिए नहीं, आई थिंक कोई भी अगर कंटेंट क्रिएटर है हु रियली वांट्स टू बी अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर या जिन्होंने न्यू शुरू किया है, तो आई थिंक मोनेटाइज की तरफ दे शुड नॉट प्लान मच.
एक्चुअली पता है क्या, कोई ना मतलब देयर इज नो एज सच एक पाथ या एक स्ट्रेटजी नहीं होती मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए.
It goes, I think it goes with the flow.
It goes with absolutely
Yeah.
very true in that, because आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं ये कंटेंट बनाऊंगा, ये वायरल हो जाएगा और इसके ऊपर मैं मोनेटाइज करूंगा. वो ऐसे कभी भी नहीं होता है. सो इट्स अब जैसे when we started,
audience and everything starts growing gradually. And as and when the audience grows, आपका channel अपने आप monetize हो जाएगा. But till then you have to concentrate on your content. Never concentrate on the monetization part, because उसमें क्या होगा, you'll not be able to produce good content. अगर if you want to monetize कि मुझे monetize करना है, brand campaigns लेने हैं, तो it will not be a very good idea, because आपकी feed पर it will not look so nice जितना आपका original और organic content अच्छा लगेगा आपकी profile.
Especially उनके जो जिनका start है, जो start करना चाह रहे हैं इन चीजों में.
Exactly. I think everybody wants to have a genre of their of their self की जो उनको अच्छा लगता है करने में, and in which they are perfect doing that. तो उनको उसी से start करना चाहिए. And they should wholeheartedly create content. Monetization is, I think, a very secondary thing.
And plus this industry is very fickle also. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि आपने आज एक कैंपेन कर लिया तो अगले 10 भी आपको पेड ही मिलेंगे. That doesn't happen in the industry. It is very मतलब ऐसा
It's up to your hard work and what you show to the content.
Yeah.
A lot of hard work, and especially keeping the audience glued to your profile.
So it's like
so
audience को लेके आना is very easy.
Very easy.
But to maintain them on your page, कि आप उनको daily basis पे वही content दे रहे हो, तो उनको bind करके रखना थोड़ा मुझे लगता है difficult.
इसके लिए you have to be very creative. आपको आपने आज एक content piece create किया, next time के लिए you have to think something different.
Get better also.
Get better as well, because audience का expectation increase हो जाता है. हमेशा कि आपने ये content दिया, next
वो
time
down
they
नहीं
expecting
होता.
this much.
Yeah.
Exactly. तो आपको बहुत creative होना पड़ता है, बहुत चीज सोचनी पड़ती है कि मेरी audience क्या है, उनको क्या अच्छा लगेगा. तो
और ऐसा भी होता है कि बहुत बारी ऐसा भी हुआ है that we've done some shoot and हमने अपनी तरफ से बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत अच्छा आउटकम आया, बट वो चला नहीं.
और हमें लगता है वो चलेगा, बट नहीं चला.
वो नहीं चला.
कई बार ऐसा होता है. हाँ, कई बार ऐसा होता है.
So that is up to the audience.
हाँ, अभी recent times में COVID times की बात है, जून जुलाई में when everything opened and ऐसे, तो we went for a shoot to this studio in what place? Southex.
Okay.
And हमने बहुत ही नॉर्मल, लाइक उस पिक्चर में कुछ भी नहीं था, बहुत नॉर्मल, जस्ट अ कपल रैंडमली सिटिंग पिक्चर हमने डाला, and it like went boom overnight, and we were like ये क्या था.
So you never know कि आपकी audience को क्या चीज पसंद आ जाए, क्या ना आए. So it's, I think, a very hit and trial of kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So what are the brands name you guys are associated with right now for endorsement?
Okay. So I think in fashion lifestyle we have associated with Amazon and Flipkart, and in I think beauty brands we have also associated with
Body Shop, Kiko, and Forever 52. It's a very nice brand from
Yes.
And for food,
we have done endless number of restaurants, bars, and
like we've almost been to
each and every
60-70 places in Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR.
Exactly. And in the travel as well, we have collaborated with Lemon Tree Resorts, Lee Meridian, and we've
been to Ahana in Jim Corbett. That was the best staycation of our life, and the first staycation that we ever went to was Noor Mahal Karnal. And guys, मतलब अगर जिसने वो चीज एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, उसका हर स्टेकेशन एक्सपीरियंस इनकम्प्लीट है.
Exactly.
So that's the best.
A lot of people might not be familiar with that. I think Noor Mahal, because it's in Karnal, it's not in a metro city, so that's why. But I think कि audience को अगर कुछ luxury experience करना है, luxury not in terms of luxury, in terms of उनका जो
it's like a traditional luxury resort, and वहाँ की जो hospitality है, I
That's
can
the
bet
best
you
part.
वैसी हॉस्पिटैलिटी आपको कहीं पर भी नहीं मिलेगी. मतलब we've been to like the bestest of resorts and hotels, like 7-star hotels also. But Noor Mahal की hospitality is like way out
Exactly,
of this world.
amazing.
या ये
बहुत
बहुत
ही
कम
amazing.
होता है कि जो थोड़े से ट्रेडिशनल एरिया में होते हैं या फिर तो वहाँ पे
Very
इस
rare.
तरह की हॉस्पिटैलिटी करना.
Exactly,
हाँ.
because you know most of the like brands related to travel, if you take leave, I think you will get a very comfortable stay. But जो उनका like I
So I would say they have like a very Indian touch, a very homely feeling that you go.
Exactly.
आपको ऐसे नहीं
Yes.
लगेगा आप किसी होटल में स्टे कर रहे हो. आपको ऐसे लगेगा आप किसी के घर में जाके स्टे कर रहे हो. So
Okay.
it creates like a very different
Yeah.
experience.
Excellent. So, what are your plans regards blogging? Like, are you gonna continue it for part time, or you have some plan to convert it into full time venture?
Oh.
destiny.
we actually
Okay.
aren't thinking on this like lane. हम like we're
So,
still flowing with
flowing
the flow.
with the flow, exactly. So
Mhm.
right now, though we are working as a part time, but never know. Maybe in a couple of months or in a couple of years, we might start doing it as a full time
Yeah.
promotion as well.
Matlab,
So-
if to all the brands and PRs, please listen to us. We really want to monetize this more and we like to
Sure,
like,
I'm
we can
sure.
sustain.
See,
I'm
basically,
sure ये
when it
message
comes to
सबको जाएगा.
See,
Yeah.
when it comes to blogging right now, what we personally feel, I think it's not very much stable at this moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In terms of monetary expenses, like you know, if you are living out of your hometown in you know in a different city, then you have to manage
Yeah.
your expenses as well, and for that you have to have a stable income.
Right, right.
And whenever we feel that way, we will surely
Yeah.
you know.
So again, this is like a very trick question. So for us, stability would mean something else, or for somebody else,
Maybe.
it's so
Exactly.
for,
Yeah.
for us like we have to live out of our homes. We need a house here. We need to like rent and everything. But if somebody is from Delhi only or from NCR region and वो अपने घर पे ही रह रहा है तो उसके लिए वो चीज थोड़ी different
Different
होगी.
हो. Right,
So,
right.
मतलब it totally depends. For us, अभी हमें नहीं लगता कि हम उस
We are
stage पे
that
आ गए हैं
stable, हाँ,
कि
कि हमें
हम
full
next
time.
6 months में सोच ले कि हाँ नहीं, so अभी time है.
But हाँ, part time तो हमेशा ही रहेगा.
Of
Like
course.
we really love creating content, and I think
Yeah, मतलब now we are actually very used to this hustle that we've been doing.
exactly.
अब अगर हमारे पास ऐसे 2-3 दिन कुछ काम नहीं हो और हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे तो हमें ऐसे लगता है कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं लाइफ में. So we really want
Yeah.
we are like overloaded
Like
with work all the
like
time.
the COVID was going on, 3 महीने के लिए we were
हाँ.
under the lockdown, and 3 महीने हमें पता है like we were so frustrated, we could not go out of our
मतलब बाहर
home.
से जा
Yeah.
सकते हैं आपके ऊपर इतनी ज्यादा restrictions है आप कितना मतलब घर में तेरा limited options आप कितना कर लोगे.
Exactly. हाँ.
So but still and जैसे ही खुला and then we with the precautions and all we've started stepping out now but yeah that's it.
So yeah, so what would be your message to the young bloggers or the young couple who are thinking to begin their career in blogging?
Oh, okay.
Okay. So that's
You wanna
again
take
a
this?
little tricky.
Yeah.
So as I earlier said as well कि अगर आपको करियर बनाना है तो राइट नाउ इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग उसको आप ये मत लेके चलो यू हैव टू मेक इट एज अ करियर नॉट राइट नाउ पहले यू शुड थिंक ऑफ समथिंग
Start doing
स्टेबल
work. हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली आप अपना एक चीज सिक्योर कर लो जिससे आपके रेगुलर स्टेबल एक्सपेंसेस आ रहे हैं
Because लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि ब्लॉगिंग में कुछ एक्सपेंस नहीं होता सिर्फ आता है बट ऐसा नहीं होता.
Exactly.
So
हाँ.
आप
There are a lot
कहीं
of
शूट करने जाओगे
Exactly.
आप फोटोग्राफर बुक करोगे आप वीडियोग्राफर बुक करोगे आप लोकेशन बुक करोगे आप कपड़े खरीदोगे शुरू में पहनने के लिए आप एक्सेसरीज खरीदोगे ज्वेलरी खरीदोगे कैमरा खरीदोगे मतलब देयर आर सो मेनी
Lot more.
एक्सपेंसेस जो लोगों को दिखता ही नहीं है लोगों को लगता है बस कपड़े पहने मेकअप किया फोटो खींची है ये सॉर्टेड
exactly because at the start you have to have those expenses कि आप at least
Yeah.
one and a half year आप survive कर पाओ without any brand collaborations or something like that तो उसके लिए I think एक stable job a stable business होना is very
बहुत
important
बहुत important.
and साथ साथ you can take it parallelly कि हाँ साथ में blogging भी चल रहा है but when you feel कि हाँ you have become that stable then you can skip your job daily job as well then you can
Yeah.
start it as a full
With the
time
time.
एंड अगेन स्टेबिलिटी मतलब आपको किस लेवल तक चाहिए
Exactly.
वो पर्सन टू पर्सन
Person to
वेरी
person
करेगा
depend
कि आपको
करता है.
कब तक क्या करना है.
Right, right, right. So
And
this
yes-
was not.
Yeah, and yes, focus on your content. That's I think
हाँ
the main
मतलब
thing.
unless you enjoy doing what you are doing आप वो आउटपुट नहीं दे पाओगे. इनिशियली नहीं समझ आती है ये चीज, हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत एफर्ट कर रहे हैं. हमें भी शुरू में लगता था कि हम फोटोज खींच रहे हैं बट उतनी आउटपुट नहीं आ रही. बट देन ग्रेजुअली वी अंडरस्टूड कि हम पहले जो कर रहे थे हम सिर्फ पिक्चर्स खींच रहे थे. वी वर नॉट एक्चुअली एंजॉयिंग द प्रोसेस. And when we started enjoying this hustle, we saw returns coming also.
Exactly. Because the audience needs something creative. तो आपको वो creative तो करना पड़ेगा if you want to keep the audience glued to your page. And वो तब भी होगा अगर आपका consistent. Exactly, consistent as well. And वो तब भी होगा when you don't think about money.
Yes.
अगर आप money के बारे में सोचने लग जाओ कि यार I have to take campaign, I have to take this, then आपका वो creativity खत्म हो जाएगा बिल्कुल.
Right.
So I feel कि yeah, sure.
Okay, so this was not the rap question. I'll end with the quick couple quiz. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so here is the first question. Who is more dominating?
She is. You must admit, yaar.
Okay, I have a little bit of like, so I'll tell you, it's not dominating. It's like I like to have things like proper planned, organized, and he's very careless, very unorganized.
Okay.
And so
I am not unorganized.
You are.
Though I am careless, but I'm not unorganized.
you're a clean freak.
I'll show you. I'll show her bedroom to you. It's completely a mess.
You are a clean freak, but you're unorganized.
Okay, that's better.
Yeah,
It's okay. So who is the better cook?
of course, me.
Oh.
But अब मुझे भी थोड़ा बनाना आ गया because after
Yes.
COVID.
But लॉकडाउन में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है बनाना, बहुत ज्यादा कुछ.
तो थोड़ा आ गया. Like I can survive on my own. कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो आ गया.
Now, finally. Okay, so next question is who is most likely to forget? Okay, this was not your question. I thought. Okay, who is most likely to cry because of the sad movie?
Me.
Obviously.
I cry in happy movies.
So
also.
emotional.
Exactly.
Very emotional.
Then
So
I
who
have
is
to
the funny
comfort her.
one?
I'll have to hug her. कि नहीं, that's
Oh.
fine. That's just a movie only.
I am a
Okay.
cry baby. I can cry at like even simplest of quotes on Instagram. I am a cry baby.
Okay, who is the funny one?
Me.
Okay,
He's
so
the boring one.
Okay. I'm the serious one, not the boring one. Yaar.
Yeah,
Everybody has a
seriously.
different personality.
serious man.
Boring.
Who is most patient?
I am.
Me.
You are patient. You
I'm
get so
patient.
high. No. Not
Okay,
at all.
Rahul. I give this to Rahul. He's more patient.
Who is
He's
most
the
likely?
calmness.
She is
to my
very
storm.
dominating. वो 2 मिनट में she gets angry अगर मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया. I have to be very patient because मुझे पता है अगर मैंने भी वो कर दिया, then it will be a complete one-on-one thing.
आप बहुत गुस्सा करते हो, ठीक है?
चलो, okay.
Okay, who is most likely to blow all their money on food?
On food.
Definitely her. मैं Zomato की अगर history check कराऊं, she'll be.
So I am a food.
मैंने उसको इस month Zomato delete करवाया है just because she has a
Look
belly
at
a
the
little
food
loud.
belly.
Oh. Delete Zomato, then only you will get fed.
So this is like an actual fact. I've been eating a lot, and in the past 1 year, 1.5 years, I've gained like more than 10 kgs.
Oh,
It's
lockdown में यही हो रहा है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
हाँ ये तो.
So I told her कि आप सब delete करो Zomato, Swiggy, everything. Just concentrate on your fitness right now.
Everything has been deleted from my phone. The only app now I have for food is Healthify Me, which helps me to measure my calories and have food.
Okay, so who is most likely to start an argument?
Start an argument.
Rahul.
Okay.
I'll tell him do this. पर ये क्यों करना है? And then I'll tell him ये इसलिए करना है. पर ये ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करना चाहिए. So he's like he has 20,000 questions for every small little thing. And the most important thing.
In the kitchen.
In कहीं पर भी मतलब चीज आपके सामने पड़ी है, like in front of your eyes, he'll be like, baby ये क्या है? Baby, he'll never look and find anything on his own, like never.
I just
And who
like
is most
teasing
likely
her.
to end an argument?
Again me. I tend to like sulk for a lot of time.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा एडवाइस है कपल के लिए कि अगर आपको आर्गुमेंट एंड करना है तो I have to do it.
The men should do it.
Men should do it, obviously.
Yes. Okay, who spends more time staring at their phone? I think both of you.
Control
थोड़ा
कर
सा कम.
थोड़ा सा कम नहीं, मैं बहुत कंट्रोल करती हूँ. Rahul can't leave his phone for like a minute.
Okay.
Like I am
So-
also surprised कि last 30 minutes में I'm not touching my phone. I am so surprised.
Because your phone is yours.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Who is most stubborn?
You
You
most
are most stubborn.
This you can't put the blame on me.
No,
You are
no,
most
no,
stubborn.
no.
You are very, very stubborn. Like
This is
stubborn
not
into
stubborn.
two.
Okay. Yeah, combo. Who is the social butterfly?
Obviously.
That is me. He is a very shy person in public. So until unless he like knows somebody very well, he'll not talk at all. He'll be quiet, shant. मैं तो अच्छा बच्चा हूँ. I can like go and talk to anybody, everybody on the road.
Yeah. So, last question. Who apologizes first after a fight?
This is
I have to make
not
him apologize.
true. She makes me apologize.
But I do it mostly.
Okay. चलो. ठीक है. I agree with
Why
that.
are you sounding as if I'm making you answer the questions?
Okay. Anyway, you guys just solve it out, whatever.
Because off the camera I have to be with her. That's why I cannot.
Yeah, I can understand that. So wonderful. I'm like all time laughing with you guys. It has been an absolute pleasure having you
Thank
guys
you.
on the Inside Story, and
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so much for having accepted our request and so far sharing your journey. And from the entire Nedley family, we wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Guys, I'm sharing all the social media handles of Ishita and Rahul down in the description. Make sure you follow them everywhere, especially on Instagram. See you.
Alright, bye-bye.